Hello and welcome. Today we're exploring the Juyace LED Stadium Floodlight that delivers 36,000 lumens of bright 5,000K daylight illumination. This powerful 240-watt light replaces traditional 1,500-watt metal halide fixtures, saving energy while providing equally strong output. Its durable die-cast aluminum housing with a polycarbonate lens features a thickened fin-type heat sink for efficient heat dissipation. The floodlight is designed for easy installation using the included adjustable yoke mount, perfect for mounting on buildings or the ground. With a wide type III distribution pattern, it lights up sports fields, arenas, and commercial areas evenly. It's also versatile enough for gardens, warehouses, driveways, and job sites, lasting up to 50,000 hours. Experience powerful, long-lasting, and efficient outdoor lighting with the Juyace LED Stadium Floodlight. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.